Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'm showing you the Japanese blossom. Today we're crocheting and it seems a little bit complicated, so I decided to show you a simple way to do it. So we need a ring here, and then we're gonna do a chain and then 8 singles. Perfect. Now we're gonna pull the beginning thread to make the ring a little bit smaller, and then we're gonna go into the first single, and then we're gonna close the round with a slip stitch. And this is the circle that we start with. In the next round, I'm gonna do into every stitch I see 2 singles. So we're doubling the number of stitches. Four, 6, 12, 16. There we go. Now again, close up with a slip stitch into the first single. There we go. Now into every second stitch that we see, we're going to do a doubled, and into every other, we're going to do just 1 single. One and then 2, and keep repeating that till you get to the end. Almost done. And again, a slip stitch to close off the round. So we're gonna do a 4-time treble, and we need 6 chains to replace the first one. Then we're going to do 6 more chains for the first bow that we're going to do. And then the following 4-time treble we're going to do with 4 yarns over, and then we're going to skip 1 stitch, go into the next one, and we're going to go 2 by 2 loops until we have no more, or just 1 on our hook. When you do that, you're going to do 6 chains. So that's this bow in between, or the bridge. Then again, 4 yarns over, and again the treble. Remember to skip 1 chain or 1 stitch on the bottom. And then again 6 chains, and again the 4-time treble. There we go. And keep going like that till you get to the other side. And you should have 12 of these bows or bridges in between, and then we'll move on. Okay, so we have again the 6 chains, and then we're going to close up with a slip stitch as always into the 6th chain from the beginning. Then we're going to do an extra chain here for the height, and we're going to do 8 singles around this bow here. Now we're at the treble, and we continue after it with another 8 singles. Then you can turn your work with a chain. Then we're going to skip 1 stitch, and into the next one we're going to do a single. Then we're going to do a half treble and a treble after that. Then a half double treble, and you need 2 yarns over for that. So through 2 loops and then through 3. Then a double treble, so again 2 yarns over and then 2 by 2 by 2. There we go, and then 1 more double treble and another one after that. Into the last stitch we do again a half double treble. So through 2 and through 3 and then a chain, and then we turn. And now with singles, we do every stitch that we see, all the way till we get to the beginning. We also want to go into the slip stitch and take our thread with us, our yarn. Then we're going to go into the single as well, and we're going to close off that stitch. Again, around the bow one more time after that. So around here. And then into the stitch we skipped in our 3rd row, we go in and we close off the 3 stitches. We turn with a chain and we do 3 singles. And then we're going to work on a picot, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So 3 chains and then singles into the chains all the way back. Then again 3 singles and a picot. And then again, so not 3 but 2 singles and then the picot, and again 2 singles and then again. And into the last single and the last side stitch, we're going to do again a single and a picot. Then all we have left is this last half double treble, so we're going to go with 2 singles in there and then again a picot. and again 2 more singles. And when you've done this, you have your first blossom petal finished. So now we're going to do 1 more single into this beginning of the next bow. And then we're going to do this one with 8 singles again. And then just like before, after this 4-time treble, we're going to again do 8 singles. Turn with a chain. The first spot we skip, into the next one we do a single. And now we're again going to do a half treble, then treble, a half double treble, and then 3 doubled trebles. So just like before. The last stitch gets a half double treble again. Then turn with a chain, and then we're going to do singles into every stitch that we see all the way back. There we go. Into this turning chain, we're going to go in and into the side edge as well. So 3 loops and close them off. Then into the chain here, so into the bow, we're going to go in and into the following stitch, and again close off the 3 loops that you have on your hook. Turn with a chain and do 3 singles, then a picot, 3 chains and a single, and then again 2 singles, the picot, 2 singles and picot, and keep going till the end like that. Last one, and the side piece gets a picot, the side stitch, and then around this half double treble we do 2 singles and a picot, and after that 2 more singles to finish off. And then you can notice how much quicker you can do the second petal already, and it's going to be even quicker with the third one, so it just gets easier and easier. So we're doing a single here into the tip, and then we have 2 petals finished. So yeah, they're gonna go one over the other, so they're gonna overlap a little bit, and I'm gonna show you. It's really pretty, and you're gonna have a lot of petals and a really full blossom. So we're again starting with 8 singles. And then after our 4-time treble, we're again gonna do 8 singles. Turn with a chain, skip the first one, and then go with a single, then a half treble, and then a treble. Half double treble, then 3 doubled trebles, and a half double treble after that. Turn with a chain and do 8 singles to get back. So back where you started. Seven and 8. Now into this chain we turned with, we go in and into the side edge of the single, and we do the 3 loops together, then into the bow, so into the empty space, and then into the empty stitch of the 3rd row we go in and we do a chain to turn. So first close off the 3 loops and then chain to turn, and then we're gonna do 3 single crochets and then a picot, and after that always 2 singles and a picot. There we go, almost done. So a single into the last one and then a picot. Around the half double treble we do 2 singles, a picot, and then 2 more singles after that. We're ending with a single into the tip and our 3rd blossom is finished. So I'm gonna put them together just so you see what it looks like. Okay, so these are the 3 petals and you're gonna get a lot more. So total we're gonna have 12 petals. So around the circle that we did, we're gonna get 12 petals all around here. And yeah, then we're gonna close the round with a slip stitch and our Japanese blossom is gonna be done. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye!